Hello there. Let's talk about AI. Let's learn. AI. AI, Google. Wow, advancing. AI for everyone. What is your vision? Our vision. Bringing the benefits of AI to everyone. Google's doing a lot of AI, I suppose. State of the art. Whoa, it's Google. So, Google's trying to get everyone AI, but what type of AI are they saying? Just like a basic sort of limited AI, or like something smart? Okay, so they're saying AI is going to be searching for photos of loved ones. So I guess photo face recognition, like on their Google Photos and stuff. Language barrier, so translating? Yeah, Google Translate. Okay. So Google Translate is AI then. What is TensorFlow? An end-to-end open source machine learning program. Is that like it learns AI things? Oh, okay. So model building, prediction. I don't really get it. Machine learning. Neural network. Okay. So it's interesting. Okay. Let's see some stories. Wow, Google's putting together software and AI and hardware, making devices faster and smarter and more useful. Wow, that's crazy. Okay. Wow, we're gonna keep them cows healthy. I suppose that's an important thing to do. Like, where are we at right now with AI? AI at work. Where are we? Let's see. Okay. Get out of here. I'll just wait. Great for HR and recruiting tasks. We're using AI to look over resumes, it looks like. That's helping businesses. Great. Love that. What unexpected places can AI pop up at? Okay, I'm just seeing a lot of business hiring here. Career paths. Okay. Chatbots and self-animation. That automation. That's a good one. Alright, so let's just look at what is AI, other than, of course, artificial intelligence. So there's weak or strong AI. Out of weak and strong AI, the weak ones are like Siri, or Alexa or whatever. So they're just programmed to do specific tasks. Stronger AIs are going to be greater than the human brain. I'm not entirely sure about that. I'm looking up here. Strong AI is able to understand the like human thought process, and I believe it can get smarter than humans, which is where it starts to get a little bit more dangerous. One of the things brought up by someone or somewhere that I researched is that if an AI gets too powerful and it starts to continue its specific task, it may realize, oh, humans are in the way, and it will eliminate the humans, which will then allow the AI to continue its task. There's totally a video on that. I'll see if I can find it, link it. Yeah, it's a really interesting concept. Of course, it's all theoretical, because we don't know. Yes. General public has unrealistic fears about artificial intelligence and how it will change the workplace and life in general. That is an excellent point to bring up, because there is a lot of stigma around this, that AI can be really dangerous, but it's also really easy to see how it could be really helpful. It just has to be controlled, because if you do AI in just if you do AI in multiple places and they're all competing against each other, these different corporations will try to have the best AI first, and they will start releasing things because it's a race to who can have the best AI first. And when it gets to that, there's not going to be as much communication between them, finding kinks in the programming, allowing for errors and then fixing it before it gets released to the general public, which could then cause issues, especially with multiple AIs competing against each other. So that's when it could be dangerous, and that's what the general public, I believe, seems to be fearing about. Let's look at more stuff. Oh yeah, there was something about IBM Project Debater. Basically what happened with this whole argument AI system was it would research through, I believe, hundreds of millions of different articles to find sources for a topic that they would be arguing against a person for. And it would take a couple minutes, but at the end of those minutes, it would have all of its topics and sources found out, and then it would be able to, in real time, argue against somebody, which could be a human. I would imagine you could also have an AI arguing against an AI. Oh, that's an interesting thing to think about, because if an AI is going against an AI, would they not come up with the same sources and have the same opinion, if you can even call it an opinion? I wonder, maybe if you gave the two AI different sources or didn't let them use the same ones, I wonder if they would be able to come up with different arguments from each other. Because realistically, if it's the same program and if it's the same hardware, same sources that it's pulling from, would it not have the same opinion? Because it would piece everything together the same way. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so in 2018, the debater is what they're calling, Project Debater, was against two people in 2018, and the AI won one, and then also lost one. But that is very impressive that you could win an argument as a computer. Of course, it's limited as of this moment, but in the future, it could totally be a huge system. So here's how they work. I believe here we're going one human and one AI machine, Project Debater machine. So, okay, they start with an opening statement, then counter-argue the opponent's points, and then finish with closing marks. Exactly how an argument works. Wow! Each segment has a strict time limit. Audience votes on their viewpoints, and whomever is swayed more opinions is considered the winner. Okay, so it's not just them arguing against each other, the AI and the person. It's going to be an audience that's watching, and then the AI and the person have an argument, and then whoever sways the audience more is the winner. And that's actually a really fair way to do it, because you're judging it by humans, of course, but it's all, I mean, as of this moment, humans are the ones that have the opinions, so they're able to be swayed by the arguments. A human-sized black cube. Was the human able to look through all the resources, or was the human just able to look through their own memories, and figure out what topics they were going to discuss? I mean, in that sense, it does kind of limit the power that the AI does have, or at least credibility, for this argument, because it's not just looking at stuff that it's already known. It's able to actively go out there and search the database. I mean, I suppose you could go to a library and look through all the books or whatever as a human, and you would be able to find the information, or you could search the internet. But at this moment, when he only had 2 minutes, here he made his arguments against the point. Yeah, so it looks like maybe the AI had some things already ready, but they still had to do research, and the human is unable to do this magnitude of research within just 2 minutes. That kind of just show that we're still behind on the whole AI sort of thing. If you're able to just ask the AI to just find me all the points for this particular argument, and then two minutes later you're able to argue your side to somebody else, it could definitely be a useful resource. But in terms of just an AI versus the human is far superior in this instance. But I have no doubt that in the future humans will be able to lose much more frequently, or rather the AI will win much more. Where will AI take us in 10 years? So it looks like over the next decade, we expect AI to be a huge effect towards humans, to really increase our productivity. However, it threatens our autonomy, agency, and capabilities, and they might match or even exceed human intelligence and capabilities on tasks that's such as complex decision making, reasoning, and learning, and that's terrifying. So it looks like with AI right now we're at a easy, simple version of the AI that's not smart enough to comprehend complex human emotions or be at the same level as humans, but we are expecting within the next 10 years to have AI that will be as competent as a human is. At least there may be that in the research stage. So I think there's going to be a lot of people that are against the idea of AI, which will limit how much it's able to be used in our computing and society and everything in the upcoming years, because of the stigma of it being a bad thing and the possible cyber downfall of the planet. However, it seems like AI will definitely play a large part in our lives, even if it's not as intelligent as humans are, just because it'll start making tasks easier, just as we can see with Amazon Echo and Siri, stuff that's been around for a little while. It's just starting to really get implemented in other things, and it's making our whole lives a lot easier. Well, that's basically all I could find out about AI right now. But there is a heck of a lot more out there. But for the time being, that's all I could research right now. So, nice!